how are you all? I hopefully believe that you all are quite fine. And once again, I warmly welcome all of you in this video. Over here today, students, we will discuss about chapter 6 from your textbook First Flies, and here your chapter 6 is poem Animals, written by or composed by Walt Whitman. Actually, students, Walt Whitman was an American poet, essayist, and journalist. He was a great humanist, and also he was a part of the transition between transcendentalism and realism. Here we know that Walt Whitman was born on 31 May 1819 in New York, USA, United States of America, and he was died on 26 March 1892 in New Jersey, United States. So, as we know that Walt Whitman is the among most influential, prominent, eminent poet in the United States, and he is often known as, or he is often called the father of the free verse. ये फ्री वर्स के फादर, पिता कहे जाते हैं. फ्री वर्स, मुक्त काव्य जिसको आप कह सकते हैं हिंदी में, मुक्त काव्य के पिता वॉल्ट विटमैन was an American poet, essayist and journalist. Students, this poem Animals, जानवर, जिसका शीर्षक है Animals, actually in this poem Walt Whitman tries to convey, expresses his own idea, opinion, thought about animals. क्या कहते हैं वॉल्ट विटमैन इस पोएम में कि जानवरों की जो संगत है, जो जानवरों का साथ है, कहीं न कहीं आज के इस परिवेश में इंसानों से बेहतर है. और he has tried to compare that animals are being far better than human beings. मानव से कहीं न कहीं जानवर आज बेहतर हैं. क्यों हैं, कैसे हैं? We will read according to this poem Animals. So Walt Whitman is the poet of this poem, and the poem Animal is from his famous work Song of Myself. It has included in his famous poem Song of Myself, and this poem Song of Myself has included in his famous poetic collection, which is known as Lips of Grass. Lips of Grass. In Hindi we can say that घास की पत्तियां. It was published in 1855. This collection of the poems have been published in 1855. 1855 1855 में इसका प्रकाशन हुआ। लिप्स ऑफ ग्रास जो कि पोएम्स का एक कलेक्शन था, संग्रह था, काव्य संग्रह, जिसमें सॉन्ग ऑफ माई सेल्फ के अंतर्गत ये पोम है एनिमल्स। What does Walt Whitman says through this poem? How he convey, how he expresses his own idea, thought, ideology about human being and animals. It has been given here in this poem that the poet Walt Whitman admires animals for being better than ह्यूमन बीइंग से एनिमल्स बेटर हैं, ऐसा प्रशंसनीय है। वॉल्ट हिटमैन के द्वारा प्रशंसा की गई है कि एनिमल्स फॉर बीइंग बेटर देन ह्यूमन बीइंग्स एंड द पोएट विशेष टू लिव with animals and to experience a life where no one complain and where everyone is free of sins and sorrow. Everyone is free from pride and prejudice, hatred, jealousy. वहाँ पे पोएट रहना चाहते हैं, उन लोगों के साथ रहना चाहते हैं जो इन डिसएबिलिटीज से दूर है। एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू पोएट वॉल्ट हिटमैन, एनिमल्स are far better than human beings. Only animals who do not possess such disqualities like pride, prejudice, hatred, jealousy, and they are free from also sorrow, sadness, melancholia, sins, vices. ये दूर रहते हैं कौन? जानवर। अब थोड़ा सा अजीब लगता होगा कि ऐसा क्यों कहा जाता है, क्योंकि वो इतने इनोसेंट होते हैं जानवर, एनिमल्स, कि उनको इंसानों की तरह एक दूसरे से द्वेष, ईर्ष्या, जलन, घृणा आदि करने की आवश्यकता नहीं पड़ती है। वो उनके अंदर कोई दुख या किसी तरह के सिंस, बुराइयां या पाप कर्म नहीं होते। बट इंसानों की दुनिया विच इज फुल ऑफ सिंस एंड सारो आल्सो, जो कि पाप और दुखों से भरा हुआ है। ये वॉल्ट हिटमैन के द्वारा इस पोएम में के माध्यम से बताया गया है। एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थीम ऑफ द पोएम is not to admire only animals, but how good animals are. Animals कितने अच्छे होते हैं, but to compare humans with them in order to focus on the flaws of their nature, उनके स्वभाव पर एक तरह से वॉल्ट हिटमैन ने उनके स्वभाव का प्रदर्शन किया है, उसको दिखाया है। न कि केवल जानवरों की प्रशंसा की गई है, दोनों के बीच के स्वभाव में कितना अंतर है, क्या दोनों के स्वभाव का महत्व है। दैट हैज़ बीन expressed by Walt Whitman in this poem. And the poet believed that probably a very long time ago, बहुत लंबे समय पहले, humans possessed all the qualities, all the abilities such as calmness, piousness, and now there were lack of greed, lack of jealousy, prejudice, and ability to stay happy. There were ability to stay happy, to be happy. Everyone wanted to live in pleasing environment situation बहुत पहले। लेकिन अब जो ये मॉडर्न एज है, जहाँ हम एक दूसरे से घृणा करते हैं, एक दूसरे से द्वेष भी रखते हैं, happiness, real happiness, pleasing, has been disappeared from our life. हमारे जीवन से दूर हो गई है. लालच की भावना, greediness कितनी बढ़ गई है हमारे अंदर in this present age, in this modern age. And would say that human beings have lost all these qualities whatsoever before. Now it has not been seen among human being. So in this poem, Walt Whitman has given a pedagogic point before human being. एक तरह का मानवीय तथ्य प्रस्तुत किया गया है वॉल्ट हिटमैन के द्वारा. Students, we will discuss about line by line explanation of this poem in our next video. Till then, thank you all of you. See you again in next video. Thanks.